Hello everyone, my name's Alison and welcome to my English lesson. Now what I wanted to talk about today is one of the first things that anyone needs to know if they're going to start to learn English. Whether it's reading, writing or spelling, this is one of the first steps that you need to do. Now on the whiteboard behind me, I've written all the letters of the alphabet from A to Z in both the small and capital letters. And what I'm going to do is first of all say the name of the letter and then its sound. Let's begin. The letter A makes the sound A. The letter B makes the sound B. The letter C makes the sound K. The letter D makes the sound D. The letter E makes the sound E. The letter F makes the sound F. The letter G makes the sound G. The letter H makes the sound H. The letter I makes the sound I. The letter J makes the sound J. The letter K makes the sound K. The letter L makes the sound O. The letter M makes the sound M. The letter N makes the sound N. The letter O makes the sound O. The letter P makes the sound P. The letter Q makes the sound K. The letter R makes the sound R. The letter S makes the sound S. The letter T makes the sound T. The letter U makes the sound A. The letter V makes the sound V. The letter W makes the sound W. The letter X makes the sound X. The letter Y makes the sound Y. And the letter Z makes the sound Z. Hello again. If you've reached the end of this video, thank you for watching all the way through. You now know the names and the basic common sounds of the letters of the alphabet from A to Z. If you liked watching this video and you want to learn more about the English language, I have put a link down below which will take you straight to my course area, which covers many more videos on English. Thank you for watching.